everyone. Alright, so we're going to start off with a little tart shape tape and we're going to use that as a base for the eyes. Just blending that out with a fluffy brush. Okay, we're going to go into the Flamingo palette from Violet Voss and we're going to take that baby blue shade Ocean Front and I'm going to use it as my transition. Alright, so we decided to put it all over the eyes. Either way, we're going to go over that with a shimmery shade. Okay, I'm going to take this beautiful blue shade from JD Glow Cosmetics. I'm going to put that on my finger and we're going to place that on the lid. Wow, mira que lindo. So pretty, love this shade. Next, we're just gonna go over all of that with a fluffy brush just to make everything look nice and diffused and seamless. Grabbing this next beautiful shade, also from JD Glow Cosmetics. Let me show you real quick what these looking like. Look at this. This is so pretty. So I'm gonna grab the light one that I just showed you and I'm gonna put that in the center of the lid to make my eyes pop a little bit more. Also throwing some in the inner corners. At this point, I wanna put it everywhere, to be honest. Taking a brush to really just blend out the edges and blow it up a little bit to blend in with that baby blue. And then we're going to move on over to the lower lash line and we're going to use the same colors that we did at the top on the bottom. And now we're just going to clean that up with a wipe. I'm going to use my two favorite foundations. I'm going to mix them. My NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation and my Maybelline Superstay. And then I'm just going to use a flat kabuki brush from Morphe to blend all this out. I'm gonna take this super beautiful Glitter Injections pressed glitter in Tropical Smoothie. I'm gonna put that on my inner corners. Oof, look at that. And then I'm gonna put that in the center of the lid also to bring a little pop. Then grabbing my concealer, my Tarte Shape Tape, I'm just gonna put that on the high points of my face to highlight. And I'm gonna blend that out with my Beauty Blender. Taking my KKW powder in number 3, I'm just gonna set my under eyes with it. And grabbing my Maybelline Superstay powder, I'm going to set the rest of my face with it. Now we're going on to bronzer. I'm gonna use, of course, look at this bronzer. I need a new one. My butter bronzer, I'm gonna use that to bronze up the face a little bit, maybe some light contour. And now I'm grabbing my MAC blush in Petal Power. I'm just gonna blush up with that. For highlight, I'm grabbing my Dose of Colors Desi X Katy highlighter. And honestly, with the same fluffy brush that I put on bronzer, that I put on blush, I'm throwing on the highlighter too. Also taking my Dose of Colors Desi X Katy lipstick in No Creamer Please. I'm just gonna throw that on. And I'm gonna line my lips a little bit just to define them. Grabbing my two favorite glosses, my Dazzle Glass from MAC and my Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil. Just gonna throw those on over top. And that is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. I hope you guys are staying safe at home, and just stay tuned for more content. I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.